Today, we are going to create something new and completely different that no one has made before. First of all, let's look at a YouTube channel. It has around 1.67 million subscribers and has uploaded only a few videos, but you can see its earnings, up to $25,000 per month. The views are also in millions. These are animal-type videos, and they are performing extremely well. Now, let me show you another channel. It also has a good number of subscribers and creates similar animal-style videos. You can see its earnings, up to $13,000 per month. Its monthly income is also very high. So the main point is that you can also create these types of videos. But today's method is different. It is unique and not like others. You can create videos in a completely new style that no one is using yet. You can also add background music and create these videos very quickly and completely free. As you can see, animal videos perform very well on YouTube and get millions of views. If you also want to create this type of content, you can easily do it. Today, I will show you a complete step-by-step course where you will learn how to create these videos for free and earn money online in a very simple way. So let's start the video. But before starting, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the channel and like this video so you can watch more videos like this. Let's get started. First of all, I will give you a prompt. You need to download it from the YouTube comments section and simply copy it. After copying the prompt, I'll show you an example. Open Leonardo AI and paste the prompt there. Once you paste it, you will see an image generated. For example, something like a miniature sand sculpture being created with a pen. Now, how can we change this? It's very simple. Just copy my prompt and paste it again. After pasting, you can modify it. For example, if you want to change the animal, you can write, "Please remove miniature sand scorpion and replace with snake." This will generate a new prompt. Copy that updated prompt and paste it again, and you will see the animal has changed to a snake. Similarly, you can do it again. For example, paste the prompt into ChatGPT and write, "Please remove snake and add dinosaur." It will update the prompt by removing the snake and adding a dinosaur. As you can see, the snake is gone and now a dinosaur appears. So using this simple method, you can easily create different types of images and videos by just changing prompts. Now the important part is how to create videos for free using these images. Before that, if you want to add background music, just open YouTube and go to the audio library. There are many free music tracks available that you can use in your videos without any copyright issues. Now let's move to the main part, how to create AI videos for free. There are some tools that you can use to convert these images into videos completely free, and I will show you exactly which tools to use and how to use them step by step. First of all, I will use a website. Go to Google and simply search for Flow Labs. The first website will appear. Open it. After opening the site, you will see an option called Create with Flow. Click on that. This is the first website where you can get daily free credits. Using these credits, you can create AI videos for free. Now, connect your email. Once you connect your email, you can see that I currently have 150 credits, and it also shows that credits refresh daily. This means you can get free credits every day. With one email, you get 150 credits. If you use different emails, you can basically create unlimited videos. This is also a method you can use. Now let's create AI videos. Click on the video option. After that, select VO3. Then choose the size according to your needs. For YouTube videos, 16.9. For Reels, Shorts, 9:16. I want to create a reel, so I'll select 9:16. Next, I will copy the prompts that we created earlier using ChatGPT. Simply copy the prompt and paste it here. After pasting, within a few moments, you will see that the video is generated. In the same way, you can copy and paste all your prompts one by one. As you do this, all your videos will start generating. Within just 4 or 5 minutes, all your videos will be ready. You don't need to wait much. As you can see, all the videos are now ready, and the results are really impressive. Now, there is a second website that we will use to create AI videos for free. Let me show you how to use that as well. Now, the next website you can use to create AI videos is called business.gemini.google. This is a very powerful and impressive platform where you can create AI videos daily for free. The results on this website are also amazing, and you can easily create high-quality AI videos. So, what you need to do is open business.gemini.google. After opening it, select the video option. Then click on Create Videos and choose VO 3.1. Now simply copy your prompt. After copying the prompt, paste it here. Once you paste it, just click on Generate. It will take a few seconds for processing, and then your video will be ready. As you can see, the first video is ready, and the result looks really impressive and high quality. You can create similar videos very easily using this method. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you can fully understand the complete process. Now, for the second prompt, just copy and paste it the same way. Within a few moments, your second video will also be ready. As you can see, the result is again very impressive. So by using this method, you can create AI videos daily and very easily using this platform. For the final video editing, I will use CapCut, which is a very good software. It's easy to use, free, and packed with amazing features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. Perfect for both beginners and professionals. I will import my video here, apply different effects, and complete the editing process. As you can see, my video is now ready. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions related to the video, feel free to ask in the comments. I will reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I'll bring another method for you. Thanks again for watching.